Toxins are poisonous chemicals that are produced by living beings, such as bacteria, fungi, plants, insects, and animals. Most toxins are extremely potent poisons because they target specific cells in the human body. For example, they can block protein synthesis, bind to sites in nerve membranes, and disrupt nerve impulses and other vital functions. For many toxins, there are no antidotes. Examples of toxins are ricin and botulinum toxin. Because toxins are both chemical and biological in nature, both the 1972 Biological and Toxin Weapons Convention and the Chemical Weapons Convention prohibit their use in warfare. But because the CWC is the stronger convention, it takes precedence. The CWC prohibits the production, stockpiling, and use of toxins just as it does other chemical weapons agents. Botulinum toxin, which causes the disease botulism, is a neurotoxin that attacks the nervous system. It is the most toxic substance known to science. To demonstrate, when the toxin is injected, a single gram could kill 100,000 people. Since botulinum toxin can be manufactured by illegal producers and purchased via the internet, it is a significant proliferation concern. Ricin is a toxin that is obtained from the seeds of the castor oil plant. It works by entering cells and preventing them from making proteins. As a result, cells die. The toxin can eventually spread throughout the entire body, leading to death. When injected or inhaled, the lethal dose of ricin for an adult human is 22 micrograms per kilogram of body weight. There is no antidote for ricin. Ricin is of substantial proliferation concern since anyone can acquire it relatively easily from natural sources. Ricin was used to assassinate Bulgarian dissident Georgy Markov in 1978. The Bulgarian Secret Service, with the assistance of the KGB, shot a pellet containing ricin into his leg using an air gun camouflaged as an umbrella. Since then, it has been used in several terrorist plots. Recently, in two separate and unconnected incidents in April and May 2013, individuals mailed envelopes containing ricin powder to President Obama and other high-level U.S. officials. Neither caused any damage, and both perpetrators were arrested and indicted. Let's summarize what we have learned to this point. Chemical weapons are a system of three components that have been used in warfare by states and against civilians by terrorists. Chemical weapons agents fall into 5 categories: choking, blistering, blood, nerve, and incapacitating agents. Once dispersed, they can enter the body through inhalation, ingestion, and through the skin and mucous membranes, causing debilitating illness or disease and sometimes death. Because dual-use chemicals agents are in wide industrial use, they are relatively easy to obtain and require strict controls to prevent their proliferation. In the next part, we review international efforts to control chemical weapons and examine the provisions of the Chemical Weapons Convention.